Crime branch has filed another charge sheet against the accused Soham Naik for allegedly raping a minor girl. In this 200-page charge sheet, crime branch has charged Soham Naik under sections of BNS, POCSO and Goa Children's Act for raping a minor girl. The crime branch has also named 19 persons as public witness. Earlier in another case, which was the first FIR against Soham Naik, which was registered on behalf of State of Goa. In that case, Soham Naik was charged only for transmitting the obscene video, and he was charged under section BNS and Information Technology Act for publishing and transmitting obscene video through electronic mediums. But in this case, he has been charged for raping a minor girl. In second case, a report was filed before South Goa Juvenile Justice Board because at the time of offence, both the victim girl and accused Soham Naik was a minor. So altogether, there are 5 cases against Soham Naik, out of which 3 cases either has been charge sheeted or a report has been sent to Juvenile Justice Board. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.